Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am doing a quick tutorial on how to do passion twists. I only actually use 3.5 packs. A lot of other ladies out there on YouTube were using 6 packs, 7 packs, sometimes as many as 9 packs. So for me, I'm a low density kind of girl. I wanted to show you all what it looks like if you are running low on packs or also don't want your hair to look too full. I like to go for a more natural look. So here we go. Right now I'm kind of showing you all the products that I'm using. So as you saw, I had some edge control gel that I got from the local beauty supply store, Africa's Best, just to moisturize the scalp, comb, brush for detangling, crochet hook, very important. I love this stuff. It's a moisturizing cream, some hair polish, some more edge control cream. I like that one because it smells really good. And then of course we got our Eco Styler gel. I was running low, so I also used another gel, which you'll see in a moment. That was a spray, a comb for my edges, a toothbrush, and then of course the OG Pro Styler. So guys, I just pulled all the products I might need. Oh, and then of course the waterwave hair. I did a 22-inch in the color 2. And here's some clips, some rubber bands, basic stuff. Little rubber bands, also very important. I did use the rubber band method. So guys, super important. I didn't use all the products that you saw. My hair is freshly washed, detangled, and I am going to proceed to separate into single parted boxes to do the rubber band method. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so as you can see, I did part my hair into little sections using the rubber band method. I didn't want this video to be super long, so I didn't record me actually separating out the braids, but I'll link below a video. Some ladies that did a really good job parting. Just know that I wanted a more natural look, so in the back I literally just use my finger to part, so it's messy parts in the back and then a more clean box style part towards the front. Okay, I had about 67 boxes. So I just kind of sped up this part so you guys can kind of see what I'm looking like with just, at this point, a quarter pack of hair. Look at this, guys. This is twists with just about a pack of hair, and I'm already more than a quarter of the way done, almost halfway done with just a pack of hair. So that's what the back is looking like. Again, this isn't a super in-depth tutorial. This is just to kind of show you all what your passion twists might look like if you were to only use 3.5 packs of hair. Okay, so again, I didn't want the video to be super long, so right now I'm just kind of speeding through how to do the twists. So for each strand, and again I had about 67 twists in my hair, for each twist I did a half a strand, pre-made strand in the pack. So each pack I think has like 50 full strands. I just kind of split them into half and then used half a strand for each one of my twists. I do not twist that fast. This is sped up. I do, as I'm twisting, do almost like you would with a Senegalese twist, meaning I twist each of the 2 strands first before I twist them together. But even doing that, these twists were so fast. For 67 individuals, again using the rubber band method, it took me about 5 hours to do this style, and that's with like an hour lunch for me, kind of like watching videos, not super attentive. Okay, so here we go. You see, So this is me splitting the hair again. I take one full strand out of the pack and then I split it in half, and that's what I was using. Okay, so getting it in my hook, pushing it through. In the back, for more security, I did do a little knot for you ladies who are familiar with doing crochet hair in general, especially with the curly hair. You know how you kind of just like twist and create a knot at the top. For the ones in the back, I created a knot for extra security. The ones in the front, I just pulled one side through and then twisted so that way it would lay a little more flat. In the back, it was fine to use the knot so that way it had a little bit more fullness in the back, since again I am only using 3.5 packs. But in the front, I really like for my hair to lay flat because I like that kind of, you know, Zoe Kravitz kind of sleek bohemian kind of look. For me, I don't like to go for the boo-boo-va. Okay, so here is the finished look. Again, I kind of I sped up this part, so it's looking a little crazy, but this is it kind of parted to the side. I will say that there were some pieces in the front that started to come undone, so I did have to go through later and repart it. Okay, so the lighting in my room is a little crazy. So this is what it looks in better lighting. Hopefully you can see it. This is me without it trimmed, just like freshly done. As you can see, even with 3.5 packs, the back was super full. It still looks full. Like, that's still actually higher density than I even really wanted. And that was with 3.5 packs. So you really don't have to do, you know, 9 packs, 6, 7 packs. That's crazy. If I were to do it again, I'd probably do maybe 4 or 5 packs. Okay. So again, guys, I'm sorry the lighting's not the greatest, but this is me later that evening. Quick trim. I didn't take a whole lot of length off, just kind of gave myself some layers. Okay. And again, I had to go through and redo some. Overall, I like the style. And then the next day, I realized like I didn't like them so long, so I actually went through and trimmed. So I'm kind of showing you guys how I layered it out here. Okay, so I went from it being like kind of down my back to more like armpit length, which I liked a lot better. I live in Hawaii, so I use this as a protective style, but for me the more important thing is that it's comfortable, that it's lightweight, that I don't get hot, and that I can swim in it, which is why I love these darn videos, these tutorials, and I love me some crochet hair, girl. Yes. So this style I actually ended up only keeping in for a few days. I get easily bored, and it didn't hold up in water as well as I would have liked it to. Just for any of my ladies who might be thinking about this as a vacation style, that was just my experience. I'm also not a super strong braider, so maybe it's the way that I did the twists, but overall I thought it was really cute. And again, this is 3.5 packs, y'all. Save your coin, just get you a few little packs and you still will be just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more tutorials, please hit like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comments, anything, let me know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been real. Bye.